Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, Bok Choy stir fry. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in the wok. I add the onions and start to stir fry. I add the ginger and the garlic and continue to stir fry about 30 seconds. I add the Aleppo pepper and continue to stir fry. I add the baby bok choy and get it nice and hot and stirred in. I add the stock, soy sauce, and sugar and stir it in. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.